Hi everyone, I'm Ahlam Issa, a speech language pathologist and one of the creators of What Sound by Bjorem Speech Publications. I'm so excited to introduce to you this product designed to make learning fun and interactive for young children. So who's this product for? It's designed for children as young as 6 months old. Yes, you heard me, 6 months old, because that's when they start showing interest in environmental sounds. And it's great because it's going to encourage language development from a young age. And it's also for toddlers with or without speech and language delays. It's for anyone that wants to work on improving their child's language skills and introducing them to different vocab and words in a fun and interactive way. Before I talk about the different ways you can use the What Sound deck with your child, let's talk about why introducing environmental sounds and categories is so important for your child's development. From a young age, children are naturally curious about the world around them. And again, at 6 months old, babies are going to show interest in environmental sounds. And by exposing them to different sounds and helping them categorize objects, we are laying the foundation for their cognitive and language skills. Also, playing with different sounds is important for our late talkers before they even begin to imitate real words. And this deck is a great way to work on these sounds and imitation skills.
I choose.
I choose.
Horsey.
Horse. Okay.
Lion.
What sound does a horse make?
Lion.
Yay! All right, let's find out. Let's find out. Yay! That's the sound. Here. That's a
Chicken.
chicken. Bok, 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 bok. Can you guess the sound? That's a
Monkey. Monkey.
Yay! You got it right. It's a monkey. I hear a mad sound.
I want happy.
You want happy? Okay, let's see if we can find happy, okay? Listen to the sound.
I want.
Listen to the sound. This is funny. That's a
Coffee.
coughing or maybe burp.
Bird.
Burp.
Bird.
I hear burp sound. Okay, I hear. Okay, are
Bird.
you ready for more? Oh, sorry.
This Peppa Pig.
This is Peppa Pig?
No, this
No,
is her.
That's Peppa Pig?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what Peppa Pig does?
Carry and say, moo moo moo, ah, shoo we can. Monkey says, ah 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 ah. Monkey says, ah 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 ah, shoo we can.
And there you have it. What Sound is not only a fun way to explore the world of sounds, but also a valuable tool for promoting language and cognitive development in children. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.